Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize online dispute resolution with Modria, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Modria website. Log into your Modria account using your credentials. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Locate the Dispute Resolutions section on the left-hand menu. Click on Create New Case to start the process. Fill in the required details about the dispute. Ensure all relevant information is accurate and complete. Attach any necessary documents to support your case. Click Next to proceed to the Case Review section. Review the entered information for accuracy. Make adjustments if necessary before finalizing the case. Select the preferred dispute resolution method from the options provided. Choose a mediator if your case requires one. Set a timeline for the resolution process. Communicate clearly with all parties involved to ensure transparency. Use the messaging feature to update all participants about important developments. Check the dashboard regularly for any updates on the case status. Prepare for the mediation session by gathering all needed materials. Be ready to discuss potential solutions during the session. After resolution, ensure all terms are documented in writing. Follow up with parties to confirm agreement on the resolution. Monitor compliance with the agreed terms for future reference. Make use of analytics tools within Modria to evaluate the efficiency of the dispute resolution process. Identify areas for improvement based on the review. Continuously refine your approach to optimize future resolutions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.